Welcome to VAK's lecture. In previous video, we have discussed about some of the output devices. Now, in this video, we will discuss about printer, which is called as an output device. Printers. Printer is an output device that is used to print the information on the paper. By using monitor, we can display the output on the screen. And by using these printers, we can display the output on any paper form. We have different types of printers. For the clear understanding purpose, I gave the graphical representation here. Now we will discuss about all these. Impact printer. Impact printer consists of one black ribbon. First of all the characters printed on this ribbon, and then all these characters pressed on the paper. These produce very noise, and these are useful to print bulk information due to the low cost. In this we have two types, character printer, line printer. Character printer. These printers are used to print only one character at a time. In this we have two types, dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer. Dot matrix printer. In this, each character is printed in the form of patterns of dots. That's why it is called as DMP, dot matrix printer. The dimensions of these dots are like matrix 57, 79 and 99. These are very inexpensive ones. Because of the less cost of printing, these are very popular. And of course, these are widely used. These are having poor quality and the speed of this printer is very slow. Daisy wheel printer. In this, characters are printed on paper by using a wheel and pins. These pins arrangement looks like a petals in a daisy flower. That's why these are called as daisy wheel printers. These work properly than the dot matrix printer. These are having better quality, and also we can change the font styles of the characters. These are very slow in speed and produces very noise, and also more expensive ones. Line printer. These are used to print one line at a time. These are two types, drum printer, chain printer. Drum printer. This printer is having a drum shape, and one surface of the drum is divided into number of tracks. The basic drum printer consists of 132 characters and also available in 48 character set, 64 character set and 96 character set. The speed of these printers is high. These are expensive ones, and fonts could not be changed by using these drum printers. Chain printer. In this, a chain is placed to print the characters, so it is called as chain printer. In this also we have different character sets, 48, 68, 96 character sets. By using these printers, we can change the font styles very easily. Also, it produces very noise. Non-impact printers. These are used to print the characters without using ribbon. These can print one complete page at a time. So that because of this reason, these are also called as page printers. There are two types of non-impact printers, laser printer, inkjet printer. Laser printer. These printers are use the laser lights for producing the dots. Basing on this, they can print the characters on a page. These are very high-speed printers and produce high-quality output also. And also, it supports many font styles and character sizes. And the negative point is these are very expensive ones and cannot produce multiple copies at a time. Inkjet printers. These use the different technology, and that technology is used to spray the small drops of ink on paper. Basing on this ink, the characters can be displayed on paper. In this, color printing is also available. So all these are about different types of printers. If you understand the concept, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.